right? What was Kojagiri special? Yes. What did you do on Kojagiri? You didn't celebrate, I think. Yes, Arya? Are you there, Arya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, did you celebrate Kojagiri yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So how long you were awake? Till 12 o'clock? Till midnight? Or slept
No,
earlier?
sir. 12 o'clock.
Very good. So let's see, children. Yesterday we have already finished this lesson. Today only we will discuss the questions. Okay. See the first question. All questions are very simple, and if you know the answer, you can answer, right? Otherwise, we will all discuss here. What job did narrator get after graduation? Did he like his work? Any one of you? What job did narrator? Narrator means that lawyer who who was graduated. What job he get after his graduation? And did he enjoy his work? Yes.
He be he became a junior
After
clerk.
graduation.
Okay. Okay. Repeat. No problem. Huh? Yes. Ashwata, you tell the first answer. Huh?
After his graduation, he became a junior clerk at a firm,
Hmm. Yes. And
and
did
he
he?
did not enjoy his job
Yes. Why he didn't enjoy his job?
because he has to go to dirty and shady corners of the city
Hmm.
to give summons to the people,
Hmm.
and he was often beaten by
Of the.
some people.
Yes. Very good. Very nice answer. Right. Next question. What was the? Why was the narrator happy to go to New Million? Why did he go there? Question mark chahita hai, but why was the narrator happy to go New Million? First, answer this question. Yes. Now, somebody else. Yes. Now,
because
anyone apart from Ashwat.
because
Yes, beta.
because the sight of the city revealed him. He had to go in the dirty and shadowy corners of the city to serve the summons, but when he knows that he had to go to New Million, he thought that the village must be very simple and sweet.
Yes. Yes. Very good answer, Ajay. Right answer. Because what he was imagining there, it will be a very simple life there. The village will be neat and clean, and all the people were very well behaved, very well behaved and simple. He was expecting to see the natural beauty there with the countryside uh, locations, and the he was believing that the people are much better than the people in city. Okay, why did you go there, Ajay?
To serve the summons to Oliver Lutkin
Yes, two. Why was Oliver Lutkin required?
in a case.
Yes, in a case. Very good answer. Next, what did the hack driver say about Lutkin when the hack driver met him on the railway station? What did he tell about Lutkin? Any one of you?
The hack driver said that Lutking is very hard to catch because he is doing one or another work always.
Very good, Are. I think Gauri. Okay. What did he say? It is very difficult to catch him. Because why it is very difficult to catch him? And another thing, what he told him that he always borrow money from other and he never return the money. Though he's speaking very respectfully about him. Respectfully, though he was involved in many types of uh, what kind of bad things, cheating people and all those things, not returning their money. Even then, he was talking very respectfully about him. He was saying that he want to start different types of. He's involved in different kinds of what you call activities which are not good. For example, he borrows money from others. He play the what you call the poker game, right? And then he also is deciding to. He's also thinking about starting a pool room behind the grace shop. So, but even then, though he was involved in many bad activities, even then he was speaking very respectfully about the Latkin. Very good answer. Next, narrator and the hack driver drove around together to find Latkin. Which places they visited? Yes. दूसरा कोई?
The narrator and the hack driver
Hmm?
drove around together to many places to find Lutkins.
Hmm?
They first went to Priest's shop, then Gustav's shop, and then to Gray's shop. Then they were taken to pool room, and at last they went to farm of Lutkin's mother, which was 3 miles away from the town.
Yes, very good answer, Shreya. First of all, they went to Grace shop. From there, then they went to, I think first they went to
Priest's
Freeze
shop.
shop, Freeze. After that, they went to Grace shop. No, sorry,
No, sir,
Gustav.
Gustav's shop.
Gustav shop. And after that, they went to Grace shop. And after that, they went to pool room. And then when after pool room, they went to the farm of Lutking's mother. All these places they visited, but they never found. They were missing him just by whisker, है ना? whisker में थोड़ी सी अंतर से उसको छूट रहा था वो. They were following him always. Okay, very good. Next, why could the narrator not find Lutkins? Why could the narrator not find Lutkins? Anyone? Very simple answer.
Narrator could not find Lutking because the hack driver himself was Oliver Lutking.
Who answered this question now?
Mansi.
Yes, Mansi, right answer. Yes, your answer, yeah, because he himself was the Oliver Lutking. Yes, very good. Next, what did the hack driver tell the narrator about Lutking's mother? This question is very important. It is always asked in the examination for the 2 marks, 3 marks. What did the writer tell the narrator about Lutking's mother? Yes.
Hack driver told the narrator about Lutkin's mother that she is a terror and she is about 9 feet tall, 4 feet thick as a cat, and she could talk a lot.
She could talk a lot. Very good. She told her that she is 9 feet tall, 4 feet wide, and she is as quick as a cat, and she is very, she talks a lot. She is not, what you call, she is always use the bad words. She talks a lot, but her words are always abusing language. She uses abusing language. What that is what that hack driver told the narrator about Lutking's mother. Okay. How did she receive the narrator? When narrator and hack driver went to her farm, how did she receive both of them? Narrator को कैसे receive किया उसने? कैसे उसका स्वागत किया? What had she done? Yes.
At last, Lutkin took the narrator to his mother. Lutkin's mother came out of the kitchen. She had an iron from the old stove in her hand. She marched on the narrator, shooting to attack on him. This frightened him and he retreated.
Yes, Kranti. When a narrator and hack driver went there, she went inside the house and she brought one iron rod from the old stove and she marched toward the narrator and using threatening language. Right? What kind of threatening language she was using? Yes, you can search my house, but before that, you will have to get burned by me. Burned by me. She attacked both of them in this way, and she was also laughing at the same time. When they were retreating, they were running back, running away. She was at the time laughing at them also, laughing at their cowardice. The cowardice जो होता है डरपोक जो थे उनका वो देखकर she was at the same time laughing to it. Shows that she was insulting. मतलब she insulted the narrator, right? Okay, this question is also asked. Okay, next. With what impression did the lawyer come back to the city when he caught the afternoon train, when he was going back? With what impression he was returning? Was he feeling guilty for not finding the law, that Lut King, or something else? What kind of feeling he was having when he was returning to the city? Anyone will tell.
When lawyer started his return journey to the city, the
Hmm?
lawyer was not upset so much, but he was quite worried about his failure.
He was
He
not
also
worried.
thought.
Huh.
Hmm.
He was not worried
He
about
also
failure. Okay, again.
he
Yes.
also thought that to settle New Million and started his office there.
Yes. Why he thought like this? Why did he decide to come back to Munir and start his office?
Because he was so much impressed by the behavior of hack driver and
Villager.
beauty of village.
Beauty as village people, right? Though the city was not so beautiful, village was not so beautiful, the people he was believing that are very good. Okay, so it is the right answer. Who gave the answer? Who was speaking?
Ajay.
Ajay Mahale. Okay, very good answer, beta. So when he was going back, what kind of impression was he? Was not worried a least about his failure to find the Oliver Lut King, but he was so much impressed by the behavior of the hack driver and the people around in the village that he was even considering to come back to the New Million and start his settle down there by opening his own office, because he was thinking that the people and are just like hack drivers who are very helpful, who are very kind. That's why that is what he was having the feeling when he was going back to the city. Right answer. Next. Next question. When he reached to the city, why was the narrator sent back to New Million, and who went with him? Why was he again sent back to the New Million by his boss? Yes, beta. कोई भी तीसरा और दूसरा कोई तो भी आंसर दो. संस्कृष्ण अभी तक आंसर नहीं दिया बेटा तुमने.
Yes, sir. Narrator went back to the New Million to serve the summon to Oliver Lut-King, and one of the colleagues came with the narrator.
Your answer is correct. One of the colleague, but who was that colleague? He had already worked with Oliver Lut-King. Oliver Lut-King was familiar to him. उसको जानता था. He knew Oliver Lut-King because he had worked with him. And that's why one of his colleague was saying to him so that they can, and he was sent back to New Million because that man, Oliver Lut-King, was very, very important, because the case was coming for hearing the next day. Next day वो केस आने वाली थी सामने, और his what you call evidence, Oliver Lut-King's presence was very much important for the settlement of that case. That's why he was sent back to New Million, and one colleague who had already worked with Lut-King was sent with him. Good answer, Sanskishna. Next. Who was the hack driver and what really hurt the feeling of the narrator? When ultimately at last the narrator came to know that the person who had befooled him, who had cheated him himself, was the hack driver. वो himself, मैं आज का पहले का आंसर दे रहा हूँ. He himself was the hack driver. Actually, that Bill Magnuson, who called himself hack driver, who used that name as a, and when he was carrying the narrator throughout the village, that person himself was the Oliver Lut-King, right? He was Oliver Lut-King. But the next question is very important. What really hurt the feeling of the narrator? लेकिन वो तो पता चल गया, चलो इसने यही वो ओलिवर, लेकिन उससे सबसे ज्यादा उसको क्या फील हुआ, क्या हर्ट किया, कौन सी चीज हर्ट की थी? अश्वत्थ, यू टेल. उससे सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी चीज बुरी लगी? अश्वती, आर यू देयर? कौन सी चीज हर्ट हुई थी? कोई दूसरा बताएगा?
The narrator was
Well-
really
हाँ
when Latkin and his mother were laughing at him if
Huh?
he were a big boy of 7.
Yeah, that thing, है ना? They were talking with him as if he was the young boy of 7 years. They were treating him in such a way that he was just a boy of 7 years. That thing hurt him the most, right? When they were laughing at him, considering with a small boy who was very easy to be fooled, जिसको आराम से हम full बना सकते हैं. So that kind of that feeling was hurting him more. Okay. Next question is important. Why do you think the neighbors were anxious to meet the lawyer? Lawyer को मिलने उसने हमने देखा कि लड़की mother invited him for to his home because the neighbors wanted to meet him. So why do you think the neighbors were anxious to meet the lawyer?
The neighbor were anxious to meet the lawyer because they were the only in the town that missed the lawyer seeing yesterday.
Yes, they were the only people, means everyone mean most of the people in the village had also seen how he was befooled, how he was cheated. Everyone knew that because he had taken him everywhere. Vades Hill, Gustop shop, Grace shop, Free shop. Almost all the people had met him and they knew how the hack driver had cheated them. But only people who were left were the neighbors. So that's why they also wanted to see who is that people to whom this man has so easily cheated. And that's why they were very eager, curious to know, to meet that person. That's why I think they were invited. They wanted to meet the lawyer. Very good answer. Shreya, na? Shreya ne diya?
Sir Arya.
No, sir.
Okay, Arya. Okay, Arya. Nice answer, Arya. Okay. This is the next question. Describe in your words the narrator's visit to the farm of Latking's mother. Describe in your words the narrator's visit to farm of Latking's mother. उसकी visit completely. देखो ये question can be asked 100 words में or can be asked about 30-40 words. So you have to see the marks. How many marks are given to this question? Then you have to answer. You can answer. You can write this answer in 100 words too. Okay, give this answer in short words. Describe in words the narrator's visit to the farm of Latking's mother. Anyone? Veera, you answer.
When they went to their mother's farm, they saw a very cheerful woman. But after telling that, after Bill Magnuson told her that the narrator has come her to summons to her son, she rushed out with iron rod with her. Her house was one-story building. She came and they start talking words to them. They quickly ran around her house and peeped into the window to see that Oliver Latkin was there or not.
Yes, good answer, Veera. When they went there, were introduced. When Latkin, actually the hack driver introduced Latkin to the mother, her reaction what was? She seemed to be welcoming. Seemed to be मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था she was not feeling bad. But suddenly she went inside the house. She brought the iron rod, followed the old stone, and she marched towards them, uttering the abusing language, गाली देते हुए. And during that time, they ran around the house and they peeked into the what you call bar and stable, and then they came back. In this way, we can call that their visit was a failure. A failure visit because they did not. But their purpose was solved. What was their purpose? Their purpose was to find out whether Latkin is not there. But even then, they searched the house in a quick succession and ran away. So you can write a question. अगर 100 quotes का तो in detail में write, but short में लिखना है तो she when they went there, when he was introduced, she went inside the house, she took the iron rods, she marched and she attacked him, uttering the curses or Abizu language. That is the simple answer you can write. Okay. Next question. This is the question. Next one. Do you think the question? Do you think Latkin was right in fooling the lawyer and earning money by using unfair means? Do you think Latkin was right in fooling the lawyer and earning money by? ये question किसी का yes में आ सकता है, किसी का no में भी आ सकता है, because ये value based question है. What precautions should one take? ऐसे कौन से precaution हमें लेना चाहिए? What precautions should one take to avoid a situation like the one in which the lawyer was placed? अब ये do you think वाला someone can write yes. Yes, he was right in cheating the lawyer, or somebody says that no, it is not right. Okay, what do you think? Do you think Latkin was right in fooling the lawyer and earning money by using unfair means? Anyone? Value based question hai. Yes, anyone can tell answer in your own words. Don't use the language of the text or reference book. Just tell me, do you think that he was right in fooling the lawyer? You can either say no answer. Okay, there is no definite answer. कोई आंसर नहीं, इसका yes or no ही होना चाहिए. आप no भी बोल सकते हैं, yes भी बोल सकते हैं. And if yes, then why? बोलो बेटा कोई भी. Nobody will tell.
It is not right to fool a stranger in such a way to earn money.
Okay, very good. Why do you think so?
Because it is unfair to fool a stranger only for our selfishness.
Okay, who is giving answer?
Mansi.
Mansi. Very good answer, Mansi. You are right. It is not good. है ना? What is not good? To fool the unfair for earning money. Very good answer. Because I think that it is not right. Okay. अब कौन बोलेगा yes, it is right? Right भी कौन बोल सकता है कि इसको? Now you see, I don't think he has because you think that Latkin, yes अगर बोलना है तो ये जो मानसी ने आंसर दिया is correct है. अगर लटकिंग ने देखा तो what was Lutking's fault? He was depending totally on Oliver Lutking, the hack driver. So he was listening to him. He was listening all his words, all his suggestion. So if you are going to do some responsible job, you must not be so careless. So if he has cheated him, it was the punishment for his careless nature. And actually he did not take his money, but he has also spent his time for him. He spent 6 or 7 hours. He bought a food for him. He charged everything for whatever service he had done. So in this way we can say that yes, he was right, because it was the fault of narrator. It was the fault of lawyer. He should not have been such totally dependent on such person. He himself should have gone and find Lutking. So in this way you can both write yes or no. Okay, next question is very important. What precautions should one take? कौन सा precaution हमने लेना चाहिए to avoid such a situation like the one in which the lawyer was placed? आप अगर उस lawyer की जगह होते तो आपने क्या precaution लिए होते? क्या किया होता आपने? What different thing you would have done not to get cheated like the lawyer? क्या किया होता आपने?
We must have taken full information about who Lutkins was, how he looked like, and what was his profession.
Yes, Ashwat, और very good. और वो तीनों point correct है. Second,
and not behave very carelessly like the lawyer did.
इसने कौन? हाँ, very good. उसने मालूम है क्या किया था? वो we all know that he went to all places, but what he was doing, he himself was going ahead of the lawyer for grey shop में, barber shop में. वो पूछ रहा था. उसके words देखो. Hello everyone. क्या कहता था वो? Hello everyone. I am Bill Magnuson. बिल में आप हमारे घर में जाएंगे, हमारे दोस्तों के सामने जो हमें जानते हैं, उनको मैं बोलूंगा कि मैं बिल मैग्नुसन है, जो मेरा नाम छुपा के, है ना, उसका नाम बिल मैग्नुसन है ही नहीं, उसका नाम ओलिवर लटकिन। लेकिन जो लोगों को बताएगा आई एम बिल मैग्नुसन, रिमेंबर आई एम बिल मैग्नुसन, और ये जो उसका फ्रेंड है उसको ढूंढ रहा है, तो सामने वाले लोगों को यही लगेगा कि ये कोई तो भी गेम खेल रहा है, इसका नाम तो ये ओलिवर लटकिन है, हमको तो पता है ये हमको क्यों कर रहे थे, तो इसलिए वो इन्वॉल्व हो रहे थे उसी चीज में। रिमेंबर द थिंग व्हेन ही वेंट टू मदर जानती है, मदर को कुछ पता नहीं इसकी स्टोरी क्या है, लेकिन मदर को भी क्या कहता है उसके, वो रिमेंबर आई एम बिल मैग्नुसन, आई एम सर्चिंग यूर सन बिकॉज दिस मैन वांट टू गिव द समन। तो मदर को जब बोल रहा है देखो मैं बिल मैग्नुसन हूं और मैं तुम्हारे बेटे को ढूंढ रहा हूं, तो मदर को समझ में आ रहा है कि ये मेरा बेटा कोई तो भी ट्रबल में है, और ये जो आदमी उसको कुछ तो भी देने के लिए आया, मतलब इसमें, और बेटा ये कुछ रहा, मतलब इसमें प्लानिंग है कुछ तो भी। तो वो सभी लोग उसका इसी तरह से सपोर्ट करते हैं, किसी का, हैक ड्राइवर का, वो हैक ड्राइवर मतलब ओलिवर लटकिन का। तो दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज एबल टू चीट हिम। अगर उसने खुद ही हिमसेल्फ हैव सर्च्ड, he himself as Atharva Ashwatth had told, if he had taken all this precaution, collecting all kind of information, how did he look like, which places he's supposed to visit, he himself had gone into the shops and search him, he would have been successful. So he would not have so dependent like you would. I would have not. I would not have been dependent on the any stranger for the work which was assigned to me by my office or for my anyone. So मुझे जो भी काम दिया था, अगर वो काम मुझे खुद करना चाहिए था, I will not have been dependent on anyone like the lawyer. मैं लॉयर से तरह किसी पे डिपेंड नहीं होता था। तो ये सब चीजें अगर करते तो you would not have been placed in such a difficult situation like lawyer. So this is called, ये जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसी तरह का एक क्वेश्चन और आ सकता है कि why was he unable to find the लटकिन को ढूंढने में असमर्थ क्यों था। तो ये जो हमने पॉइंट डिस्कस किए हैं कि वो किस तरह से उसको चीट करता था, वो पहले जाता नहीं था और वो इसलिए वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ। सो इन ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई होप इट इज इनफ, क्वाइट इनफ। नेक्स्ट पीरियड में मैं आई विल सेंड यू the notes on this lesson, and if you have the notes you can write yourself also. Okay, next period mein main notes betunga. We will stop here. Thank you children. Okay, we will meet on Monday. Okay, did you enjoy the questions?
Yes sir.
Understood also?
Yes,
Okay beta, so see you on Monday, huh? Okay, bye bye beta.